Go.
Once you go, don't stop. Fucking Rogan, you want to try this too?
Now just go. Just go. Oh my.
Down the hill. I need to go take a shit for a bit.
We need a baseball bat. Dude, that's fucking dog shit. Dude, you gotta have a baseball bat.
I got my good one, that's it.
You got a golf club? Oh shit.
Huh? No.
Back will break.
Not any shitty ones.
Hey, bitch.
Dude.
We need a golf club. Dude, hit that.
Rogan, rock! Rogan! Hey! Rock! And drop onto that!
Watch out. You watch out.
As long as you guys pick this shit up, I don't think my dad will care. Brandon! Dude, catch it on fire! Shut up! The fucking rock broke over it. Stop! When you go to air conditioner school?
What the fuck are you doing?
Trying to make it stop!
Call Brandon to get his ass out here.
No, we gotta pick it up.
What else are we gonna do with it?
Mow over it. Fuck. Why do I gotta do this dirty work? Oh shit, go quick. No!